Jerry, here's your 363 small block Ford. Just got done dynoing and everything went great. Give you a description of this combination. Got our cylinder head on it. Got one of our custom grind hydraulic rollers. Custom pistons. It's the dark block upgrade. It's got the Pro M manifold on it. Obviously the fuel system is Holley. Terminator X, great system. Set of our custom rocker arms. Take you in, show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, 414 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 435, peaks horsepower 461. So we rate this at 440. It's got a front end on it, so that robs a little. Between the new cylinder head and the manifold on it, it's open planted manifold, runs really good. So get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Here's a little glimpse of the fuel map. Have a great day.